Hi everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to export each worksheet to a separate CSV file with Kutools for Excel. This method recommends Kutools for Excel's split workbook feature to quickly export each worksheet to a separate CSV file in bulk with several clicks. Click Kutools plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Workbook drop-down list and select the Split Workbook feature. In the Split Workbook dialog box, please do as follows. Check the worksheets which you will export to CSV in the worksheet name section. In the Save as Type drop-down list, select CSV Macintosh.csv format and click on the Split button. In the Browse for Folder dialog box, please specify the destination folder where you will save the exported CSV files and click on the Select Folder button. And now each checked worksheet is exported to an individual CSV in bulk. The split worksheet feature can save or export each worksheet of an active workbook to an Excel workbook, Excel 97 to 2003 workbook, or TXT, CSV, PDF files separately. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.